YouTube, what's up? And I got a package. So, let's see what's inside. Let me set up the camera. Okay, I got a package. It says fragile. You know what this looks like? Looks like a lot of fire alarms. Yeah. Right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. But right here, it's a Edwards full station with a rubber band. All you do, it doesn't take no key to reset it. You go in, right there. I'm sorry about that. And you push back up. Okay, there's that. And looks like we got Spectral Alert Advances. 5 of these. That's what this monthly package is. No more. And this is what I've been waiting a long time for. The big brown thing. Now, it says tape. I need to open this too. I see where I said so fragile. And this, it's a nice little new board put in my alarm panel. So, hold on, let me. Sorry if this is like a little bit too loud, but. Now, show you the panel. This is the panel I have now. Oops. This is the panel. This is my, I'll make another video on this. But here is this one. Hold on. If you see, you push and pull down. And then I got a wheel lock. Strobe only. Then I got a BG12 backside blank, wide lights, and Spectral Alert Advance, and a T-bar, which is a regular key. And up there, another Spectral Alert Advance. As y'all can see back there, another Spectral Alert. Wiring all runs down under my closet, and then it runs back out, hooks up to my Spectral Advance. So all you do with this one, oh, it didn't work. Beep. 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 Okay. See how it's pulled down. I'll just open it and push back in and reset it. Reset the panel. And same with this one. Beep. You hold on. Alright. Open that. Push the piece of paper out. And you hold on and lock it. And now reset. Then T-bar. Did the same thing. Beep. Beep. Same thing. Different T-bar. And serial number 269823. 29. Alright, system reset it. Hold on. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!